Damn, girl.
There you go.
So secure.
Yeah, so it's not quite as big as I was hoping it would be. But
Hey, you did a great job.
they're gonna attack you.
No, literally. Our little setup, so cute. You got Maggie sunscreening, and then you have the beautiful beach. So we finally made it to Ogunquit Beach. Maria beat us by a good 20 minutes. And oh, you can see her lathering up. Maggie's lathering up. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're honestly just beaching it, and it's beautiful. So let me show you the surrounding sights. Our little backyard. That's our front yard right there. And then we have our little picnic tables or
Put my leg on.
chairs. What? A lot. That was really a lot. Oh, it is nice and warm
Do
underneath.
you think that girl?
Look at her. She's so majestic. Majestic? So we got Maggie, and then we got Maria. You've seen them on the vlogs and the Martha's Vineyard. Do you guys have anything to say?
Spring break 2024. I haven't been to the beach in 2 years.
Damn.
Yeah, I would count that.
Maggie's taking it away.
Of the glasses.
Yeah.
I thought you were a
To the vibes, to the vibes. Thank you.
A sand boat? It's not a sand boat, it's a sailboat.
Oh shit. Look at the sailboat. Alright, so we finished up at the beach. We were there for 4 hours. And now we're gonna go get lunch and then just head into town and vibe. Oh guys, it's right there. It's right there. For the vlog.
No.
Nice.
that was the answer. My name is Maggie Goodwin, and we're at Bandito's Mexican Grill.
Let's get the photo. Let's get the photo. Yeah, that's
Love your
me.
cute little mocktail.
Maggie, what are you drinking?
The Banditos margarita.
You're beautiful. What about you, Maria?
Thank you. What?
What are you drinking?
Sangria.
Sangria.
Sangria for Maria.
I got a.
Oh, that's really good.
What did I get?
Virgin mojito.
Yeah, I got a virgin mojito. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I got.
It's actually really good. Not like I didn't expect it to be, but it's been a long time since I had a margarita.
Oh, that's everything I want.
Ooh, I got some salsa verde.
I'm like, how could it came and I was like, damn Christ.
I know, I did forgot that you didn't. Yeah.
Those look good.
Champagne, like a